Another magic. Well, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, LJ the Truth. You know, I rap and teach iPhone different stuff with the iPhones, learning with the 13, 14, and 12, whatever. We learning together. I learn new stuff all the time with them. I also repair them. But another method you can try with trying to force the phone to update if it's not updating for you is to try and go, excuse my nails, so you can go to general and you go down to cancel that, and then you go down to what I'm trying to get to here is transfer or reset phone. So you can try reset and reset all the settings. Let it reset all the settings. Reset all the settings. Then let it load up. If you get in the boot loop, so reset all the settings. This shouldn't erase everything. Reset all the settings. And then see if the phone power up normal for you. So, and then you can try and see if this works for you to keep you out the boot loop. So let it load up all the way. And then your phone should return as normal. Another thing you can do with the new iPhones, stuff tend to get stuck in them. You can sometimes like lint can get stuck in the screen and stuff like that. So little pieces of hair or something like that. So another thing you can do is try holding that up and down button, let it power it off, and then you can try this. I'm gonna show you guys. Let it power all y'all. Pressing on the screen, press down on the screen, make sure everything is pressed down firmly. You might hear a click, you might hear a little noise. Press on the phone down firmly. Might just got a little loose in there, might have just got a little micro hair in there or something. Press down on the phone, press it, press it, press it. Keep pressing, press the back. Snap the back a little bit when I was working on it, but press the back, press the front. And then see if the phone will come on as normal. So you can try these two methods and see if you're still getting that horrible boot loop that the 13 and the 14 and the 12s are doing right now with the iOS 16 update and 15 updates. So you can definitely try this out and see if this method works for you to help you get the phone power back on normal. So let me know if this works. Y'all make sure y'all comment, like the video, and love LJ the Truth, man. Y'all check out my channel, check out my other videos, and thank y'all, and peace out.